Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a bit about how to pull a management pack from Pastel. Alright, so let's begin. I'm using Pastel version 19, but this will work for anyone who uses Pastel version 14, 17, 18, 19, even Pastel version 12, as long as you have the intelligence reporting package. Alright, so let's begin. This is just a demo company I created for this video. So firstly, you click on intelligence reporting. Then you click on the run reports and you go and you search for management pack D27. You click on it. Always look for this little question mark that will pop up on your taskbar. You click on it. The start period is always 1. I always say in period 12 because I'm going to hide the periods that I don't use. It's just so that the totals don't get screwed up or anything. I just like to say period 12. And you click OK. Right, so for this video, I deleted the database so I can show you guys how to manually add a database for your Pastel to connect to. This is for people that used to that species were at work and now you take it home, or for some other reason your pastel file moved to another location and the database moved and you have to manually add the database. I'm going to show you now why you have to manually add the database. I would like to proceed. Yes, you see now it gives this error. It can't create a database. There's an error and there's no data files. Alright, so now let's show you how to manually create the database. You click on Start, you go down to Pervasive, and you open DDF Builder. Alright, it's going to open this window. You open your server or your computer, whatever. You open up database. Now you can see this pastel's name is Demo 20. And there's no Demo 20 database here. If for some odd reason your name there in brackets easier, you must right click and delete on it, because that means that database is now broken, the file moved, and that's also a reason why it gives you that error. So you must just delete it. But now this one isn't here, so I'm going to manually create it. So now you right click on database, and you say add database. Right, this is very important. So the database name must always start with PAS for Pastel and the version you are using. So I'm using version 19. If you're using version 18, 14, whatever, you must put in a 14 or 18. And I'm using version 19. And now you must put in the pastel's name. My pastel's name is Demo 20. You'll find that there in brackets, Demo 20. Now I'm going to search for the location. Right, now I saved this pastel under my C drive, pastel 19, and training. You'll see the demo 20, that's the pastel's name. You click OK. Alright, so now you just click finish, and now you see it created the database for me there. So now you can just exit the screen. And now you go again to intelligence reporting, run reports, management pack V27. Always look for this on your taskbar, this question mark. You click on it, and I enter period 12. And now you see if I click OK, it's going to start running automatically. It doesn't take that long to run, maybe 30 seconds, 20 seconds, depends on your computer speed. If it takes very long, ask your employee to buy you a new computer. Okay, you don't have to read all this stuff or anything. You just click there by menu and you look for actual year to date income statement. So now this name here, income statement, is just the name it wants you to create on the bottom here. I'm just going to leave it at income statement. Click OK. And now it runs the management pack. Now, for those of you who don't know what the management pack is, it's just like a summary that for every month that like what was your sales and your expenses and everything like that. Everything summarized in this report, and it splits it up in the specific periods. I always hide column A because that's where the account numbers is in, and I don't want the client to see that. It's not really important. Alright, so next you can see there's no data in January and February because this I only processed to December for this video. So I highlight column P and Q and I right click and I say hide. Alright, this name, if you want to change it, it depends on what you want your client to see here. You can change that income to management statement or whatever. You have to copy it, Control C, right click copy, doesn't really matter. You right click again and you say paste values. Now you can change the name here to management statement for the period. My period ended December. So I'm gonna say December. Alright. So now for those of you wondering, now all this zero, there's no year to date, there's nothing, no amounts in there for every month, and it's making the report very long and it just doesn't look that good. So you don't now have to go and highlight all this and right click and say, alright, there's a faster way to do this. With Sage Intelligence Reporting, automatically adds this BI tools to your Excel. So now you can just highlight column F to R because that's where all my data is in. You can say BI tools, click there by more on the drop down, and you say hide 0 rows and you just click OK. So now in just 1 second all my 0 rows got added. Because of this it messed up some formatting, so you must just check here and just reapply some formatting like that. So that's wrong. Mouse. Alright, now that's finished. So now it just says all your what your sales were every month, and all your expenses, and what your net profit. So now you can also use this management pack to give the client like a cash flow. So if you want to make it a cash flow, you can add here all the loans that was payable that month and just put in a formula here and it will say what is your net cash and turns it into a cash flow. Alright, so now if you want to send it to your client, you can print it to PDF, fit on one page. That doesn't look right, so I'm going to say landscape. And now it's a nice PDF. You can say print, and you can say management pack December. Every month you do your client's VAT or whatever, you can send this every month or every second month to him. So that your client can just look at how his sales done or what his expenses was, and he can like check what it was compared to previous month. So now this is how the PDF looks, and then you can charge your client for this. All right. So I hope this helped. Um, Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. My next video will be about how to do VLOOKUP. I'm gonna use the same management pack here. Well, sometimes you have to send your client a management pack every month or second month, but you don't do the trial balance. He sends it to you in Excel every month. Then I'm going to show you how to quickly put in all those values in this template of yours, however your template looks, with the formula that's VLOOKUP. Then you don't have to type in the values every month. You're just going to have to do everything I tell you, but that's for the video I'm gonna do next. So I hope you enjoy your day, and please guys stay safe.